Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card onto your YNAB application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YNAB application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. And after logging in, you will end up within your homepage. Here you will be taken into your current month's budget plan. Now, in order to add your debit card, go ahead and tap on the Add Accounts option. From here, you can choose your linked or the unlinked option. If you are unsure, you can tap on the Learn More option, and you will notice that the linked feature will import your transactions automatically, but it is not available internationally. So choose either one of these options based on whether you have your bank available within the linked account section. If you have it, then you can simply choose your bank name and then proceed forward with logging in to your bank account. After you have logged in, your debit card will be imported onto your account, and your transactions will be updated automatically. If you choose the unlinked option, then you will have to add your debit card manually, and within the select account type, you may choose the cash or checking option from the cash account section, which can serve as your debit card account. Then you can simply enter your current balance and proceed forward with your appropriate title. Once you have added your account, it will now appear within your homepage. You can now begin to assign your debit card funds to various different categories. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your debit card onto your YNAB application account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, don't forget to ring that notification bell to never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.